Everyone, in today's video I will be discussing about national emergency in India. A state of emergency in India refers to a period of governance under an altered constitutional setup that can be proclaimed by the President of India when the consultant group perceives and warns against great threats to the nation from internal and external sources or from the financial situations of the crisis. Under the advice of the Cabinet of Ministers and using the Constitution of India, the President can overrule many provisions of the Constitution, which guarantee fundamental rights to the citizens of India and acts governing devolution of powers to the states which form the Federation. National emergency under Article 352. Originally, at the beginning, national emergency could be declared on the basis of external aggression or war and internal disturbance in the whole of India or part of its territory under Article 352. Such an emergency was declared in India in 1962 War, China War, 1970 War, 1971 War, Pakistan War, and 1975 internal disturbance declared by Indira Gandhi. But after 44th Amendment Act 1978, national emergency can only be declared on grounds of external aggression or war, also called as external emergency on the ground of armed rebellion, also called as internal emergency. The President can declare such an emergency only on the basis of a written request by the Cabinet headed by the Prime Minister. Such a proclamation must be laid before both houses of the Parliament, and the state of emergency expires after 1 month unless approved within the time by both the houses sitting and voting separately. However, if the Lok Sabha, the lower house, has been dissolved or dissolution takes place in the state of emergency and the Rajya Sabha approves of the state of emergency, the deadline for the Lok Sabha is extended until the 30 days of emergency. The deadline for the Lok Sabha is extended. Approval by either house requires a special majority. Those in favor of the motion must be 2/3 of those present and voting and amount to a majority of the entire membership of that house. A parliamentary resolution extends the state of emergency for up to 6 months, and it can be extended indefinitely by further resolution in 6 months increments. During a national emergency, many fundamental rights of Indian citizens can be suspended. The 6 freedoms under Right to Freedom are automatically suspended. By contrast, the right to life and personal liberty cannot be suspended according to the original constitution. In January 1977, during the emergency declared controversially by Indira Gandhi, the government decided to suspend even the right to life and personal liberty by dispensing with habeas corpus. Justice Hans Raj Khanna defended the right to life and asked, life is also mentioned in Article 21, and would government argument also extend to it also. The Attorney General observed, even if life was taken away illegally, courts are helpless. A national emergency modifies the federal system of government to a unitary one by granting Parliament the power to make laws on the 66 subjects of the state list, which contains subjects on which the state governments can make laws. Also, all state money bills are referred to the Parliament for its approval. During an emergency, the term of the Lok Sabha can be successively extended by intervals for up to 1 year, but not beyond 6 months after the state of emergency has been revoked. Thank you.